Let's look at the main sections of the mWater and Solstice portals. You can access the mWater portal at portal.mwater.co and the Solstice portal, which is structured the same way, at solstice.world. You can navigate the portal by using the navbar at the top. Let me log in with the login I have and start taking a look at the different sections. Surveys is where you see all the surveys that you can have created or have access to. Surveys contain data that you or your organization has collected, and all data that you collect in the platform belongs to you. Here you can create new surveys, and within the surveys you can design them, translate them, deploy them, meaning issuing them out to enumerators and data collectors to have on their devices, and start looking at some initial analysis and manage the responses of these surveys. The next few tabs are about visualizing data that you've collected. You'll be able to build maps, interactive maps on the basis of the data you collect. Dashboards are one-page views onto your data that can consist of various kinds of widgets. So that means maps, but also charts, bar charts, donut charts, tables, and so on. Anything that's visible to you, you can look at, and you can also copy it and explore your own copy. That's a good way to learn about the system, and there is no limit in mWater or Solstice to the amount of surveys you create, maps, dashboards, and so on. So I strongly encourage you to explore and experiment. The Manage section contains the various areas of data that you can govern. This includes the infrastructure sites in the system that are excellent for longitudinal monitoring of data across time, so that you only need to map and monitor the location and basic details of things like water points, households, communities, hospitals, and so on once, and then you can come back to the same place. The organizations page covers how to manage and create large structures of users and pieces of work together. Data grids are spreadsheet-like views of your data, where you can see all of your data in just the format that suits you. If you work with water specifically, the water systems section covers the place where you can look at individual water systems and their components, and link to sites. If you ever need to approve or reject or undo changes to sites, you can do that from here. Issues or tickets are operational or maintenance issues that you can track over time from start to finish. Indicators in mWater and Solstice are the primary way to collect standardized data across different surveys. You can bring these indicators in to your surveys and be assured that you're collecting the same questions and the same data in survey A as you will be in survey B, or perhaps you want to compare across geographies or organizations. The library here contains example indicators built by experts relating to various SDGs, and another benefit of indicators is that they can automatically calculate higher level results from question information. Finally, bringing it all together, we have consoles, which allow you to bring together different analytics into one big whole. For example, dashboards, maps, and data grids across multiple tabs. Here you can see a lot of data combined. The help section on the top right is where you can always refer to guidance, look for keywords and help, and learn more about various topics and new features. The notification bell will show you any notifications that have been sent to you. And finally, by clicking your username on the top right, you can log out. You can view your account details and even change them, including changing your name and username. And you can report a problem. We're very committed to improving the platform constantly, so if something doesn't go as expected, please submit a problem report and we at MWater or Solstice will receive your report and be able to act on it efficiently. Those are the various sections of the portal, which we will cover in much more detail over the course of this course.